Hi traders, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I hope all of you are doing good. Let me check if the recording is on. Yes. So we are on Bank Nifty. Today is 30th of May and we are going to analyze Bank Nifty on multiple time frames today. So we will start our analysis from the monthly chart. So on a monthly chart we have a 20 period moving average mark. So this blue line what you see is a 20 period moving average. And as you can see, this is forming a setup which is your green bar ignored setup. After this huge fall, there is another red bar which is being formed, but there is a retracement in this bar. So we'll watch what is this going to be for this. So this month has ended here. So let's see where the next month's candle will start. So if we can analyze something on this time frame, let's draw a trend line from the lowest of the point. So this is in 2009. March. Okay, so we will take this as the lowest point and try to connect as many points as we can. So we have connected. You can connect the bodies or the wicks. Mostly if you connect the bodies, it will be more accurate. So here we can see the market has taken the support from this level itself. So even you can mark this levels as well. This is also a zone. This is our pattern if you remember. I will also revise the patterns which we use for trading today in this session. Okay, so this is on a monthly time frame, so it is looking good. If any candle this month, if this month's candle takes this high 21,997, then we can expect the reversal and the bounce till 26,544. So this will come down a little bit, so it can come down up to 25,922. So we can expect the retracement till the 20 period moving average, and after that we will see if it drops or takes support and moves forward. So let's analyze this one. Yes guys, so we will go back to our monthly time frame and see what we can identify. So the market has taken a good retracement from this level, and if this month's candle crosses this level, it will be a good positive sign, and the target will be the 20 period moving average till wherever it reaches by that month end. So 26544 can be the target for next month. So if it starts moving up, it can come till here and then take a down move, or this will become its support, and from there also it can move up. So market is very simple friends. It is always, whenever it breaks the level, it will not break in multiple candles. It will break, then stop, then come up, make a retracement till 20, and then go down. You can find it on any time frame. Sometimes you might feel that on 5 minutes time frame में तो बहुत सारा red candle आ रहा है और नीचे जा रहा है continuously. How can you say like that? But I will show it to you on 5 minute time frame also. But 5 minute time frame you have to wait for like maybe a half an hour or 45 minutes. The retracement will definitely happen. So let us analyze this on a weekly time frame or next time frame. See why I am more insisting on analysis on Bank Nifty, and you might be thinking I'm not analyzing other stocks and all. I'm just teaching you the process. You can analyze by using this process on any stock, if you get this basic understanding, which is more important. That is why I'm focusing on one thing, so that you can understand better. So I will show you where we have drawn these trend lines. It is not here, so just ignore. So we have one setup here. Okay, so this was one point and this was one setup, but it didn't reach the target here. It failed, and then again the market came back to the same spot. Again there is a bullish reversal. Okay, can go along, expect it to come till this level. The market will come down, the moving average will also come down with the weeks to pass by, and then it will take a retracement from here. If the trend is strong, it will take a retracement, come back to this level, and then move forward. Okay, so I hope you can understand this. Let's move fast to our 15 minutes time frame. So on a 15 minutes time frame, see, I have drawn these trend lines from the lowest point, connecting this point, and I have left it open. I've used raise, and then I have drawn a trend line from the peak. From the go to the left and see which is the highest peak, and from there I have connected the recent peak. Okay, so it has connected 2 points. So let's see where the market will open above this. If it opens above this, then there is a good chance that it can come back and wait for the retracement to happen here. And when I say retracement, you have to wait for a proper reversal candle. Either you can get a bottoming tail bar or a full reversal of candles like this, where a green bar is taken out by a red bar. So like this kind of bars. So wait for a reversal on these kind of levels what we draw, and it will become very simple for you to identify your stop loss. Below that level, 5 points, 10 points, you can use as per your risk taking capacity, and then wait for the risk to reward for 1:3 or 1:4, and keep trading your stop loss. So that's how we trade. And then let's move to the 5-minute time frame quickly and understand. As I said, there will be retracement. See here, the move was wild, but again it came back to the 20 period moving average here. Okay, and here it gave you an entry. Again it moved up, and here this was a reversal. You could have traded contra trade, and it has come down till here, and again there's an entry here. But avoid this contra trades, because this you can do if you have become expert. Otherwise, stick to the major trend. Major trend is uptrend. So you can see that it is taking retracement here, and your stop loss would have been just below here, and the reward would have been good. And the next day also it opened here, and it went up till the levels, and see, this used to be resistance that became a support here, and from that support it went up. So at the support levels you can identify. See, I'll show you. See this pattern. You can identify this pattern at the support level like that. It got rejected here. Again, this is also a pattern which you can trade. Okay, it's easy for you to make like 20 to 30 points by just following these kind of reversal patterns. This broke easily. You could have made points from here till here, but have conviction and have your stop loss here, and don't get into panic mode if the price comes till here. Most of the time they do that. They want you to panic, and they want you to cut your trade and do mistakes. So do not make any mistakes. Let it play. They will not give you a clear sign of direction, otherwise they will not be in the business. So that is their major aim, that they should confuse the traders as much as they can, so that the other party can get benefited from that. So this is how we do it. And so let's revise our candlestick patterns to trade presentation. All of you know this basic open, high, close, low, bullish candle, bearish candle structure. If the candles opens here and closes below, the color will change to red, and it can form a high and it can form a low in this. So this is a bearish candle, and the candle opens at the bottom and closes above. It's a bullish candle, and it can form the wicks low and high. Okay, so this is basic understanding. And reversal patterns which we discussed, this is called a red bar completely taken out by a green bar. This is called bullish 180, and the similar pattern is called bearish 180. If this is a 5-minute time frame, if you see this on a 10-minute time frame, it will appear something like the next slide, which I'm going to show you. So you can see it for yourself. It will appear like this. So it is the same candlestick pattern which we are trading, but on different time frames it will appear different. On a 5-minute time frame it can appear like this. On 10-minute time frame, if you combine those two candles, it will appear like this. So here you can see that selling pressure was winning here. The candle initially formed completely red and completely green, and the selling pressure was high. And this kind of candles you should identify above the 20 period moving average, far above the 20 period moving average. And this type of candles you should identify far below the 20 period moving average. So this video is already there on YouTube. You can go through this, and I call this as topping tail bar sell, bottoming tail bar buy. So you need to look at these bars even on the minutest of the times. Like if you want to do it on 1-minute time frame also, you can find this kind of reversal patterns and then take a trade basis that. It becomes so easy for you to put up your stop loss and wait for a 1:3 risk reward ratio. And also if you're buying options, look at these patterns and buy a put on this pattern. If you're a buyer, buy a call on this pattern. If you are a seller, then sell a call on this pattern and then sell a put on this pattern. That's simple as that. So you can choose what you want to be, whether a buyer or a seller, depending upon your capital. But if you have low capital, then you can go for buying. With this kind of setups, even with 10,000 rupees, you can easily take the trade. Okay guys, so that's it for this week, and next week we will see what new things we can implement and some new concepts which I can bring into you. So I would expect everybody to subscribe to my channel, and please promote my channel as much as you can. And thanks for motivating me, and it's been a great journey for me. So I've been consistently doing this for last 6 months now. So I really like your appreciation and support. Thank you so much for watching my videos.